What's up, everybody? This your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell, so whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on, and hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle, King Hussle X1M, King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle Crazy Reactions, the Hussle family, and turn motivation into millions. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you got to do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom in the description, all my social media links will pop up. All right, got a lot of fake King Hussle pages out there. Got a lot of people still contacting these fake pages, not following instructions, getting scammed, and then getting mad at me like I did something. So please, get a FaceTime verification call or video to make sure you see this face. Make sure you're doing legit business and you're getting what you paid for, all right? Beware of the fake King Hussle YouTube that's always commenting under all my YouTubes. Telegram, King Hussle, just spell weird, still in my main picture and all that. That's not me. If you any of y'all talking to a King Hussle Telegram page named King Hussle, that's not me. All my links are right there and in my community posts. All right, so if you want to contact me on my Telegram or anywhere, all you gotta do is follow the links in my bio or go to my community post to contact me. All right, and before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only, not telling anybody to do anything. So let's get this thing started. So today, early morning, we're finna get to the gyms because I want everybody to be successful. I want to brainwash you people to get to know credit. I want to brainwash you people to actually want to do more in life. I want to brainwash you people to want to be entrepreneurs, your own boss, to stop working these 9 to 5s and waking up every morning and not making money and seeing other people make money and you wishing how could you make money, because if it's a will, there's a way. Point blank period. If you put your mind to your grind, I guarantee you in no time you will make you some money. Easy as that. Now a lot of people want to say, well, Hussle, how can I quit my 9 to 5 job? How can I start making at least $10,000 a month? How can I become a successful entrepreneur, businessman, or woman? How can I do it? Well, it's easy. And a lot of people don't understand how easy it is to do everything that y'all see everybody else doing. Y'all be seeing all the credit gurus and all the people flashing money and all the people doing this and doing that. You like, man, I wish I could do that. Man, I wish I could do that. Man, I wish I could do that and get that money. It's possible. You just got to actually want to do it. It's a lot of people in the world that got their hand out, first of all. It's a lot of people in the world that's waiting for somebody to do something for them. It's a lot of people that do music because they think they're going to have the next big hit or get signed. And well, a lot of people need to understand, when it comes to music, you need to understand the business. Because if you understand the business, when you sign that deal, you're getting a loan. They're not giving you free money. An advance is a loan. They're loaning you that, and you got to recoup that money. And if you don't, you're going to be in the hole. And 9 times out of 10, you're not going to recoup that unless you are major artists. That's why a lot of artists right now are independent, because they keep 100% of what they make, and they put out 100% of what they want to put out. Easy as that. A lot of people don't understand business. Everything that comes to business is a loan. How that major label is being generated and funded is from banks and loans. Everything surrounds loans. So that's why I try to brainwash you people to understand credit, so you can be able to get these loans. Now, it's a lot of people who understand credit, and once they understand it, they start finding loopholes and start doing other things to obtain money. And that's just how the world works. But some people utilize it to do what they need to do and become bosses and entrepreneurs and businessmen and women and put other people in a position to win. So if you want to start making $10,000 a month at least, if you want to quit your 9 to 5 job, if you're tired of working for somebody else that's controlling how much you're going to get paid, this is what you need to do. The first thing you need to do is figure out who you are. Look in the mirror. Ask yourself, how can I get money? What do I like to do? What do I have a passion for? What am I interested in? Because I done asked over hundreds of people when I give these lessons, when I do certain things, I ask them, you want to be a millionaire, right? You want to make millions of dollars? They be like, yeah, for sure. And yeah, I do. Then I ask them, okay, how are you going to do it? And then that's the big question right there. No one has a game plan. No one has a blueprint on how they're going to become a millionaire or multi-millionaire. And figuring out how to become a multi-millionaire, it goes off the knowledge. Because once you figure out, okay, I want to do this, you're going to do the research on whatever it is. You're going to figure out how to do it, and once you put your mind and effort and research into it so much, you're going to start figuring out how to do it and start finding loopholes how you can do it easier for yourself. So if I say, you know what, I want to be a millionaire, I want to teach credit and become a millionaire off credit, how can I do it? Okay, so I'm gonna learn how to clean credit, build credit. I'm gonna dissect it. I'm gonna say, okay, I see everybody want to clean and build their credit, so I'm gonna learn how to clean and build credit. I see everybody want to get credit cards and loans and things like that, so I'm gonna learn how to get loans and credit cards and things like that. Okay, boom. I see people getting rich off selling dogs now. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go do my research and find out what are the most popular dogs, what are the most expensive dogs, what dogs are people paying the most money for. Okay, I found out the dogs, certain dogs that the highest paid dogs. All right, so I'm gonna go through that list. I'm gonna see what dog am I interested in. I'm not gonna buy any dogs that just because the money is there. No, I'm gonna buy a dog that I actually can deal with, manage, and won't have a problem with having around. So right now, Frenchies is at an all-time high, which is cool. So boom, I'm gonna find out about the Frenchies. I'm gonna find out what genes create what genes create fluffy Frenchies, what genes create micro Frenchies, what genes create what, so I know what to go for and what to aim for. So when I go buy my Frenchie, I know what to ask these people. I know what to ask them, what gene this, with this question and that question, so I can be aware and have the knowledge of what I'm buying and what I'm doing, because that'll help me save money so nobody can get over on me, and it allow me put myself in a position to promote and give the people what they want, right? So then you got people who are doing give me some more ideas. There's so many things out there that people are doing, that people right now, it's an entrepreneur world. You got people selling clothes. Okay, if you want to sell clothes and t-shirts, come up with your own designs. Try to find graphic designers and buy certain logos and certain brands and things like that. If it's a will, it's a way. You just got to figure out what's your will and want, what's your passion. Because once you figure out what's your passion, then you're gonna put your time and effort towards that, and you'll put the knowledge towards that, and you're gonna figure it out, and you're gonna make it happen. There's a lot of people moving every day. You can start your own moving company. To move somebody out of town, the base pace is between 6,000 to 8,000. And then how many beds they got, how many TVs they got, how many boxes they got, how far are they moving? All that goes and plays into that. They might end up paying you $13,000, $14,000 to move their house from state to state. You got you a box truck that can fit 3 houses. Now you got 3 houses being moved on one box truck. That's $45,000 you just made in one trip. All you're doing is loading and unloading boxes and things into a house, and you're traveling at the same time. You got people that's starting their own courier business, that's getting contracts, delivering medical goods, delivering wood, and delivering all type of things where you don't even need a box truck. It's a will and want. It's a way to do everything out here, and it's a way to do it on your own terms. It's a way to do it how you want to do it. You just got to figure out what you're going to do. Now, a lot of people be asking me, hey, Hussle, how can I make $10,000? How can I do this? How can I do that? It's hard for me to really tell everybody what they can do to make money, because at the end of the day, every individual who watches this video is different. Nobody is the same. You might got some people that might be in the same crowd, but nobody is the same. So what I might know how to do and make a lot of money with, it might be hard for you. But you might come across something that you understand that you can make a whole lot of money with, that it might be hard for me. So that's why the main part of figuring out how you're going to become a millionaire is figuring out what you want to do. And once you figure out what you want to do, then we can figure out what you need to do to make it happen. Because there's a billion things out here that people are making $1 billion all day, every day, from social media, YouTube, all the things that I said, landscaping. It's a lot of money being generated in the world. It's a lot of money being made in the world right now that you are missing out on, because you want somebody to give it to you. You think you're going to be the next hottest rapper. You mad at somebody because they became financially stable and they didn't give you no money. You're mad because you can't find a better job. You're mad because you're not actually looking for a better job or looking for a better position. It all boils down to you. It's a lot of people that complain all day, every day about them being in this position and that position, can't do this and can't do that. But when you try to help them and try to give them some game and try to do something, they complain about it. They don't want to do it. Well, those are the people you can't help. So, you want to start making $10,000 a month, quit your 9-to-5 job, figure out what it is you're going to do to start doing that. If you see somebody else making millions of dollars in something that you want to do or can do, you have the potential to making the same amount, if not more. Work harder, work smarter, not harder. Step outside the box and just do it. Easy as that. All right, so shout out to all my real King Hussle fans, supporters, subscribers, new and old, because without y'all, there'd be no me. Y'all motivate me keep going. Y'all motivate me keep dropping the sauce, and y'all motivate me keep y'all entertained. So shout out to y'all. Anybody out there looking to get their credit lessons, you want to learn how to clean and build your credit, get loans, lines of credits, and credit cards, it's going to be $600. Cash App or Bitcoin payment. Once your payment ready, send me the screenshot that the money is on your balance, and we're going to go from there, all right? Anybody looking to get basic lessons, you want to learn one topic about anything, tap in. It's going to be $600. Cash App or Bitcoin payment. Anybody looking to get their limited gems, it's going to be $1,200. FaceTime 101s. You're going to get everything that you need to know from CPN, sauce, documents, how to make $1,000 a day, credit, method, everything that you need to know. All right, so make sure y'all tapping into y'all limited gems. Also, make sure y'all tapping into y'all mentorship. Anybody looking to get mentorship, it's going to be everything with the limited gems. I'm going to teach you about the DW, and we're going to make money together with this YouTube automation channel, all right? So we're going to create a channel together. We're going to run it up, and we're going to split the payment. Easy as that. Also, make sure y'all booking y'all seat in the in-person lessons on the crypto tour. $3,500 in-state, $4,500 out-of-state. So you come in-state to me, it's going to be $3,500. If I got to come out-of-state to you, it's going to be $4,500. $500 deposit, the rest of the money we meet in person, all right? Still looking for people for the production company, run these bands up to make these millions with actors, rappers, singers, models, producers, all that, all right? So music reviews is $200. Any beautiful ladies out there looking to elevate and grow their brand, their platform, get their face seen, and ready to work, travel, have fun, got a good attitude, tap in. Any cameraman out there that got a good camera, good editing, and ready to work, tap in, because content equals views. Views equals money. The more content we produce, the more views we create, and the more money we will make. Easy as that, all right? So make sure y'all tapping in with the production company, all right? Also, if you looking, don't miss out on this deal, because y'all know everybody see a lot of people doing this, so don't miss out. I got a BOGO deal going on right now. You buy the How to Make 10K a Week Off Profit, you get the Cash App glitch for free, plus one free fully for $250. Cash App or Bitcoin payment. Once the $250 is on your Cash App or Bitcoin balance, send me a screenshot, let me know your payment ready, we're gonna go from there. Only contact me on my Telegram. My Telegram link is in my community post, or in all my videos in my description at the bottom. So don't miss out. Like I said, buy one, get one free, BOGO deal. You buy the How to Make 10K a Week Off Profit method, you get the Cash App glitch for free, one free fully for $250. So don't miss out on that. Contact me only on my Telegram. Make sure y'all sending that screenshot letting me know y'all payment ready, and we're gonna go from there. If you write me on my Telegram and you do not send me that screenshot, I will not respond to you until you send me a screenshot letting me know your payment ready. And if you take too long and keep writing me, I might block you because I don't have time for that. I need people, only working with people who can follow directions and got common sense. A lot of people be having bad attitudes, disrespectful, and all type of stuff. And I don't got time for that, all right? So make sure you got a good attitude. Make sure y'all can follow instructions, directions. Make sure you send me them screenshots, and we're going to go from there. Y'all know how to get down to any of these videos. I'll see you at the next. Peace.